Hello student, welcome back to online classes of 7. Today we are going to start geography lesson 1, our environment. As you all know, we have already started yesterday. Now we are continuing further with the revision of lesson 11 of geography, our environment. Today we are going to study about food chain, ecosystem, human environment. Now what is food chain? When energy is transferred from one living thing to another is called food chain. What is food chain? When energy is transformed from living organism, from one living organism to another is called food chain. Now example of food chain. Now sun, plant needs sun, water, or we can say carbon dioxide for making food. Now these green plants are called producers. Now these producers provide food to herbivores, example rabbit, which are primary consumers, and these primary consumers provide food to carnivores, those who are known as secondary consumers. Now these secondary consumers, after they die, with the help of fungi, they convert into dead or decay and then mix into the soil, and again this food chain or this process keep on moving. So we can say food chain क्या है? When energy is transferred from one living organism to another, which provide food. Now next is ecosystem. What is ecosystem? Is a natural unit that consists of non-living land, water and air, and living elements, plants and animals is called ecosystem. Now again, what is ecosystem? Is a natural unit. It is God given, made by nature. We get it nature. Human being cannot create ecosystem. It is a natural unit that consists of both non-living and non-living land, water, air, or we can say land, lithosphere, water, hydrosphere, air, atmosphere, and living organism, the living elements, plants and animal comprises ecosystem. Ecosystem plays a very important role in our life, and due to this imbalance in ecosystem, we are facing many problems. Now next is human environment. As well, from the term the human environment, which is made up of human beings, means human beings and their activities comprises human environment. Human environment is made up of human beings and the activities which he needs or which they need for survival is called human environment. We have used and transformed the environment to fulfill our needs. We as a human, to selfish needs, or we can say to fulfill our needs, we have drastically changed the environment or fully use it for our needs. Now again read it carefully. First is food chain. When energy is transferred from one living thing to another is called food chain. Then ecosystem is a natural unit that consists of living, that is land, water and air, and living elements, plants and animals. Now human environment means human beings and their activities. It comprises of human environment, and we have used and transformed the environment for what purposes? To fulfill our needs. These are all things which we have done. Our next topic is global warming. Now what is global warming? As the name itself comprises global warming, it is related to whole globe. The temperature which is rising drastically, very sharply. And what are the reasons of these global warming? Today in this global warming, we are going to understand what is global warming, and what are the causes of global warming, and what happened due to this global warming, or we can say what are the effects of global warming. Now what is global warming? Global warming is the rising average temperature over the earth and oceans, which has become a cause of worry. Now again, what is global warming? Global warming is the rising average temperature over the earth and oceans, and which has become a cause of worry. एक चिंता की बात है जिस हिसाब से एवरेज टेम्परेचर है जो हमारी अर्थ का और ओशन का जो इंक्रीज हो रहा है. Now what are different causes of global warming? Why this global warming is happening? increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in air due to the transport and various industrial activities has led to global warming. So what are the causes of global warming? Why this global warming? Yeah, temperature of earth and ocean is increasing. It is increasing due to amount of carbon dioxide which is increasing day by day. And why this amount of carbon dioxide is increasing in our atmosphere? It is due to the transport and various industrial activities, and these activities have led to the global warming, which is a alarming situation. If we are not going to control it, we are going to face very bad situation. Now, what are the effects of global warming? First, rise in the level of the sea caused by melting glaciers. Now, the effects of global warming is first, rise in the level of the sea caused by melting glacier. Now, how the level of sea has increased? When the glaciers has melted, and how the glaciers has melted? Due to the rising average temperature of oceans. Now, second is decreasing snow cover. The snow covered area is decreasing, and it is also the effect of global warming. And this is also increasing due to the average rising temperature of Earth. The third one is increase in occurrence of extreme weather event. This global warming has led to the increase in occurrence of extreme weather conditions. Extreme weather, sometimes it happens too hot, sometimes it started raining so heavily, storm started. These are the extreme weather, or it became too cold. These are the extreme weather events. Then ecological and social changes are the effects of global warming. Again, I am explaining now what is global warming. Is the rising average temperature over the earth and ocean means global warming. Global warming means that the average temperature of earth and ocean increases. And what are the causes of global warming? Increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. And how this amount of carbon dioxide has increased in air? Due to the transport and various industrial activities. As human beings, we fulfill our needs. We are using our nature lightly, or we can say we are taking it lightly by increasing the level of CO2 in air due to transport and various industrial activities. Now, effects of global warming: rise in the level of sea caused by melting glaciers. Now, how the level of sea has increased? Melting of glaciers. And how the glaciers are melting? Due to rising temperature of oceans. Now, second is decreasing snow covered area has been decreasing. Increase in occurrence of extreme weather condition and ecological and social changes. These are the effects of global warming, and we are facing these problems daily in our life.